Show you how to fix a broken toilet seat. I call this the iToilet. Snap the lid, unscrew the bolts. You may have to hold the nut at the bottom. This new hardware is made out of plastic so it doesn't corrode anymore. Move the hardware on both sides. Move the lid. The plastic is broken and missing. Put everything back together and flow plastic around it. We'll use a soldering iron to melt the plastic and push it back around the pin. The plastic's flowing in nice, but we need some more plastic, so we use this old lid. It's made of polyethylene, so it'll flow in nicely. We've got the material filled in. We'll weld it back to the top of the seat. We'll fuse it into the top. We'll clean off the tip of the soldering iron. Let the plastic cool, and we'll trim off the plastic. This plastic welding is a very strong bond. Now instead of fixing it like this, you could just buy another one for like 20 bucks. The hardware back in, tighten everything up, snap everything back together. And now we've got a fixed toilet seat.